Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to connect ChatGPT to Figma. And now let's dive into it. Okay, so first of all, this is my ChatGPT, so I have to go to apps and then I look for Figma and then I click connect. What happens? Let's see, connect without account, reference memories and chats, allow ChatGPT to reference relevant chats and memories when sharing data file. Okay, let's say yes to this. And then let's say I click connect Figma. What happens then? Okay, I get my browser, allow. Okay, yeah, this means you should have already logged into Figma before doing this, but of course if you're not, it would then force you to log in. Okay, so first of all, what can I do by connecting Figma to my ChatGPT account? What can I do? And here, let me see, I can make diagrams, make slides, make assets. Figma read attach PRD and create a flowchart of the two-factor authentication. Or let me see, Figma design. Okay, design a poster for the conference. Oh, interesting. Figma create a competitive analysis there comparing travel platforms. And turn prompts into flowcharts. Okay. Why not? Let's give it a shot. Okay, first of all, let me check in settings. Anything special here in settings? Reference memories, connect. I close it up, I start a fresh chat. Okay, let's say, for example, recommendation. This is cool. So it's loading. Oh wow, this is amazing. Flow included, onboarding for users. Let's see what we have here. User flow created, open in FigJam. Onboarding for new users, login for returning users, browse, search. Okay, this is interesting. Turn this a more pro design flow with screens, decision point. Oh, awesome. So let me see. First of all, if I expand this, oh, this is cool. So I can imagine this will be very useful for exploring ideas, trying out different combinations, and yeah, this is amazing. So let's see from the beginning. Oh, here I open app, returning user. So this is the entire onboarding flow down to all the details of how the app should work. So this is already amazing, especially for exploration. You can try out an idea, explore it, map it out in flows, and then take it up from there. So if I click open in FigJam, what happens? Open link. Let's see. So now we have it back. In Figma. So okay, yeah, I have the free account on Figma. And let's see. Okay, next. Okay, so this is already very amazing. I can move it around. I can make edits. Awesome. This is awesome. Okay, so back to ChatGPT. Let's see. So if I come back to what happens here. Okay, so let's say I try something else. Let me try something else. Okay, create me a social graphic to launch this movie. Oh, it's working. Amazing. Good. Okay. Okay, so for a start, I already have some couple designs here and they look good. This is awesome. Okay, so I also realized that it uses Figma credits, so guys be very watchful for this. So it used 14 Figma AI credits for this. So if I click edit in Figma, what happens? Okay, so from what I can see, this design opened in Figma Buzz. Yeah, it's opening in Figma Buzz, and then from here, you can then take it up and even make more edits to it. So for a start, this looks very interesting. Yeah, and I believe you could even take it up a notch. And again, be watchful for the fact that this thing works with Figma credits, Figma AI credits. So be watchful so you don't run out, while just playing around. Thank you for watching. Bye.